Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw a fat devil. It's gonna be really easy and really simple, and hopefully you enjoy it. Okay, so first thing we are gonna do, first thing is subscribe if you can. I'm gonna be posting constantly until Halloween, so let's get started. I'm gonna draw a line downward. Then I'm gonna draw another line down. That's gonna be for the leg, the hoof, line down here for the lower portion of his body, another curved line here for the hoof on the back, pull up. I'm going to leave a little bit of space, and then I'm going to pull up his back, down, down, 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers, 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers, up, up, pulling up here for the top portion of the body, pulling up here, cross, triangle shape for the horn, and I'm gonna, just right here, I'm gonna finish off this shape here in the back. Pull up here, down, gonna throw a dot here for the eye, dot here for the other eye, and I'm gonna draw a smiley face right here, and a little bit of triangles for some teeth. Then I'm gonna draw a tail right here, and it's gonna be like an S curve, and it's gonna have an arrow at the end of that. Really cool symbol. I love that, like the Nightcrawler tail or anything. I'm gonna pull down here. I'm gonna throw a little bit of a thin line to show dimension in that horn. Thin line here. Over here, over here. And I'm gonna throw a line over here to show the hoof, and a line over here to show the hoof. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. That was it. That's a real simple fat devil. Hopefully you followed that all the way through. Definitely hit the like button if you enjoyed the drawing, and don't forget to talk to me in the comments. Thank you so much. And one last thing, if you do want to really help me out or help the channel out, share the video. That's an amazing thing that you can do. I'll talk to you later.